Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. This is a heavyweight cruiser, 1500 cc's, V-twin, liquid cooled, shaft drive, beautiful two-tone silver metallic. It's got the engine guards, floorboards, windscreen, and factory leather saddlebags, passenger backrest and luggage rack. Only 8,000 miles on this bike. Fantastic condition. Come by, make your heavyweight cruiser dreams come true. This beautiful Boulevard C90, just $59.90 on consignment from the previous owner. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out. Make your dreams come true right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Check us out on the web at ContraCostaPS.com, where at any time we have 30 to 40 beautiful used machines in stock.